Hello everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to remove duplicates in Google Sheets. So you just have to follow what I'm going to show you right here. What you're going to do is to select all the words, and in order to locate or see the duplicated words here, what you're going to do is to tap this format, scroll down, click conditional formatting. On the right side, you have to click this format code if, tap this arrow facing down, and then you have to scroll down and click this custom formula is. And you just have to copy what I'm going to type here. So for value formula, you just have to follow this. Okay. And then after that, what you're going to do is to click done. As you can see, it locates or identify all the duplicates here. And all you have to do is to delete this. Now to delete this, you can tap this format again. Okay. As you can see, these are duplicated words and numbers. But tap data, and then click this data cleanup and then remove duplicates. However, sometimes it doesn't work for, I don't know why it doesn't work on my Google Sheet, but if it works on your Google Sheet, then all you have to do is to tap this remove duplicates. If it doesn't identify the duplicated words or numbers or anything here, then you just have to delete it one by one. Okay? But that's how you easily locate and see duplicates here in Google Sheets. And then you can remove it one by one. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to suggest any topic, please do comment down below. And see you again in our next video tutorials.